How to get $30 SHEIN coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in couponfollow.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now, at the top right corner, you're going to find this search icon. Click on it. Now, at the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in shein.com and then search for it. With that, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for SHEIN. Just scroll and check. You can see that 30% off, 20% off, $10 off, and many more. Just scroll down and check out the deals. In order to use any of the offer, all you have to do is click on it. With that, you're going to get the code. Now you can copy the code, then click on Redeem at SHEIN. You'll be directed to the official website of SHEIN. Once you land to the website of SHEIN, you can log into your account, browse through the items and select the items that you want to purchase and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find this section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. The process is same. Well, this way you can easily get up to $30 SHEIN coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.